guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kampala. Guys, I'm going to cook matoke and peanut paste. As I cook, let me tell you how I survived being in Kampala. That was around 2012 when I started my P7, and I always wanted to go to Kampala and live there. So I requested my mom that I would want to study my O level, my secondary studies from there, and my mom accepted. So I had to go and live with my aunt. I had to go and live with my auntie who was in Kampala by then. So around November, before the river, after the river came, I had to get off to Kampala. Now, I've never been there, but I was so excited to go through the stories and how the people who come from Kampala present themselves. So I was so excited. Now, the funny part is, with my personalities, it made it worse, right from boarding from my village to Kampala. So we boarded, and there was no straight bus from our village to Kampala. So we had to pass via Lira or Lira. We left at around 4 a.m. in the morning to go to Lira. Then from there, I was put in a bus that goes to Kampala. So with my lack of knowledge, actually let's say I didn't know English, I found it hard to request to have a conversation with people. So when we boarded that bus to Kampala, the journey from Lira to Kampala was, I don't know, it was so long. It was so long. Nothing like the journey from my village to maybe Europe. So long. Why? I didn't know that people actually move out for short call. I didn't know, and I didn't ask. I just saw people move out, but I don't know what they go for. So reaching on the way, I found my somewhere to ease my. I had to stay in the bus with my ignorance till Kampala. Now when we reached, I think that was actually the Kampala when we reached the bus park. The family that I was going to their home, I believe what? But still, I didn't know that have the guts to ask for please for short call. Just asking I was bloated. I felt bloated. I felt like my legs were paralyzed. I felt heavy. I had a lot of pain, but not at home until when we reached home. That is when I managed to. Actually, I didn't even, on reaching home, I didn't even ask for a place for easing myself or a place of inconvenience. I did not ask till they showed me where to go and bathe, and actually they taught me how to use these places. So my first experience in Kampala, going to Kampala or in Kampala, was not good. It was a bad experience, and I think it made it worse. The first experience made the whole ending worse. As we say, a good beginning makes a bad ending. The best beginning makes a good ending. Mine did not. My first experience in Kampala didn't make my ending good. Anyway, this is part one of sharing my experience. going to Kampala. Next time I'll come with another. As you watch this video, my cooking video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.